What you talking about? Was it something about your smile? I don't even pay attention, 'cause I'm lost in your direction.